Hey, cool quacks and chicken lovers. It's me, Liam, from the Naked Acre Homestead, and welcome back to another episode. Today, we're just out here. It's winter. It's cold. We're hanging with the birds. I don't know why they want to be out here, but I don't know. Today's also Jesse's birthday today, so go down to the comments and wish him a happy birthday. He turned 29 today. I know, right? Almost elderly. What's up, Facelift? This is Facelift. She's one of our Muscovies. She's very cute. I think she's the smallest of all of our Muscovies. And back here is the rest of the Muscovy gang just chilling. Hi, Facelift. She takes to do her little booty shakes. Oh yeah, shake that booty. Shake, shake, shake that booty. Muscovies are great. Super friendly. Again, they love to shake their booty. They're really quiet. They don't quack like a normal duck. If you listen very carefully, you can actually hear them kind of making their weird little noises. And of course, it wouldn't be a video without Grub. Right, Grub? What's up? Tell everybody what's going on. Really? And all that, eh? Huh. Grub always tells us all the hot gossip in the coop. Grub, will you bark? Day one of me trying to see if the goose have laid an egg yet. It's sad to report. No goose, actually. Just a whole lot. This is Sugarfoot. Sugarfoot is actually our first ever goose, who, well, is a gander, but we love him just as much. He's a gray Toulouse goose. So one of the best parts of having birds is spending time with them. You know, like coming out here and like just vibing, hanging out. Thank you, Rooster. But the worst part is, for sure, the cold. Ugh. Right, Grub? Grub agrees. The welcoming committee. Every time you come in.
Can I spray this in here?
Honestly, really though. It's Jesse's birthday, so we're just going out running some errands, you know.
Henry.
Woo woo.
What do I... Oh, this is what I look like? Good lord.
You're probably wondering what we're actually doing on this little side quest right now. What we're doing is we're picking up supper. Where we live, we don't really have the opportunity to like order delivery or anything fun like that, so on special occasions, we get to hop in our car and drive 20 to 30 minutes to go pick up some non-made by us food. Woo woo! Tonight we are having sushi! Oh, sushi mukbang incoming.
Apparently it's a new menu.
Oh. We're always out here side questing. We just drove past a truck and it splashed a lot of grossness on our window, so now Mr. Cutright is over here being a little window cleaning boy. Look at him go. You missed a spot. Can't wait to munch on all this sushi. You won't believe how much sushi these two boys can eat. Just like that, we're home with all of our sushi. So Jesse's just taking a quick shower, and while he does, I'm just getting everything all set up. Don't judge our setup. We have four of these tables, and that's our dining room table with the couch here. I bet you the two of us will be able to finish this sushi, as well as in this bag we have some crispy wontons. We're going a bit wild. Usually we don't eat any of this type of stuff, so it's nice to have a little treat every once in a while. I'm also gonna make us a quick little drink, some tequila, because you know, 100% agave, woo woo. Some orange juice, mango juice, you know, all the fun stuff will be right back. I'm pretty sure we all know how this goes. Homer decided it would be very helpful if he took the dishcloth off of the stove and used it as a toy. Is that what you thought, Homer? Ah, crazy boy. I really love that the sushi people always give us like 100 chopsticks because they think that, well, this food is for more than just 2 people. LOL. By the way, these are what the cheesy wontons look like, and Jesse's never had them before, but he is in for a birthday surprise. What are your thoughts?
It's so good though.
So good, eh?
So good.
Cheesy wontons.
I don't know what to watch.
Oh my gosh, this is hard, guys. I'm trying to be kind. This is what's in it. Sorry for the bad cheese pull thing. But yeah, it's a cheesy wonton. Lit. Honestly, amazing.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the next day. We're here with Homer. He's getting a little excited. He loves when he gets to start off the morning. And we're gonna record for the rest of the day today. Hope you all have a good day.
Day 2 of me going to check for goose eggs. Day 2 of not finding any goose eggs. Come on, guys, start laying eggs. I want goslings. Good morning, facelift. How are you?
Really?
Look at her wagging her little tail. She's so cute. We did pretty good yesterday with the sushi, actually. I figured we would have eaten it all, but between the two of us, this is what we have left. So we have this really weird dish that we have to wash, but it's kind of an awkward one. What are your thoughts, Murmur? Are you the dish? It's so nice to have a little dog that you can just bath in your sink. He was such a little stinchy little boy, so...
We had to. No,
not yet. What are you doing, Murmur? Oh, Dolly came to see. Getting all soaped up, aren't you, Murmur? He's surprisingly really good at this. He's also really good at letting us cut his nails. which is not common for little pugs.
As he puts his hand forward.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Daffy, do you want to have a bath in the sink too?
She wishes she was that.
Oh, do you want a bath in the sink too, Donnie and you, Badgie? Does everybody want baths in the sink? Honestly, there's nothing better than leftover sushi. Sushis. I think Miss Burmy Beans also wants to have a sink bath, doesn't she? Another thing we forgot to say is that we actually put a few of our button quail eggs into the incubator just to do a little test run to see how fertility is and everything.
Make sure the incubator still works.
And make sure the incubator is still working, yeah. These eggs come from our 2 little tiny female button quails, so let's see how it goes. After bath time, you have to be dried off, of course. Right, Murmur? Oh, wow. So much less stingy. Hims is a clean boy now. Look at all that clean boy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're so wet, man. Good Lord.
Over! Of course, after bath, you have to have tug-of-war. Or I guess this is pug-of-war? Really thinks he's that strong, eh? First of all, thanks for telling me how crazy my hair looked in the last few clips. It's actually getting really rainy and gross out, so Jesse just went out to go put the birds back in the coop, which I'll show you here in a second.
Hey guys, it's a bit of a cold and rainy day today. Essentially, I'm just gonna go put the birds away really quick and bring you guys along. I already put the water in the coop as well as I already put feed in there for them. So it's just essentially me wrangling them in. Let's go. Well, that's the video there for you guys. Hope you liked it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.